Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I went to go open the garage door and it only went up about 6 inches and wouldn't open anymore. So realized that there was something wrong and came out and saw there's a broken torsion spring. Anyway, this video is just to show you how to open that torsion spring, how to open your garage door with a broken torsion spring. This is pretty dangerous, so please just be careful if you're going to try to attempt that. Now, what it is, this torsion spring and that one up there, those help the garage door open the garage. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our garage door opener, and we are going to lift on the side where the broken torsion spring is to help the garage door open. Anyway, that's how you open the garage door with a broken torsion spring. If you like that video, please consider a like, subscribe, or comment. Have a great day, everyone. Be safe.